What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best treadmill under 300. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7603 electric treadmill. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7603 electric treadmill offers all of the necessities that a fitness enthusiast could wish for an excellent cardio workout. In case you have no time to go to the gym or running outdoors, then the SFT7603 electric treadmill can be a great solution. With this treadmill, you can stay fit by exercising at your home. And it also comes under 300. The treadmill comes with 2.2 HP peak DC motor, which can provide the speed range of 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. So, you can run comfortably at your desired speed. Also, the machine features comfortable running surface which is 16 inches long and 49 inches wide. Besides that, you can control the machine with a handrail as it comes with built-in handrail controls. The handrail allows you to adjust speed, and it features heart pulse sensors so that you can measure your heart rate as well. Like the other standard treadmill, it also has an LCD to track your fitness improvements. Again, the machine comes with 9 user programs and provides 3 adjustable levels of incline. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7603 has a folding design which is made by following a soft drop mechanism. As a result, you can safely fold and unfold your treadmill. Lastly, it can support up to 220 pounds of weight. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SERENELIFE SLFTRD18 exercise machine. If you are looking for a treadmill which allows you to do workouts such as walking, jogging, running and cardio, then we recommend you to check SERENELIFE SLFTRD18 Smart Digital Folding Exercise Machine. SERENELIFE always cares about their customers' safety, and so they give the treadmill a safety key and an emergency shutdown button. As a result, users can instantly cut the power of the treadmill when they need it. And this feature of the exercise machine apart from the rest of the market. The SERENELIFE SLFTRD18 features with a powerful and quiet motor which provides you the speed choices to 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour. And the running deck offers extra space for running comfortably. The deck measurement is 39.3 inches long and 13.4 inches wide. The treadmill can tolerate up to 265 pounds of weight. Besides that, it comes with a large digital LCD which displays running and training data statistics. The screen also shows the heart rate as the treadmill features with built-in grip sensors. The exercise machine allows you to customize your fitness season. That means, it features selectable training modes. Aside from that, you get IFIT Show Sports app so that you can turn your boring exercise routine into an exciting fitness session. And engineers make the treadmill foldable as well as portable for the easy use. At number 3, we have the GOPLUS 1.5 HP electric folding treadmill. The GOPLUS 1.5 HP foldable treadmill offers a new form of training. With GOPLUS 1.5, anyone can experience ultra-sleek workout and can quickly get in shape. The treadmill features built-in 99 running programs which can help you to stay fit. Besides, the exercise machine offers 3 countdown modes, which means you can choose how many calories you want to burn or how far you want to run, etc. Besides that, you get 11 inches LED touch display to monitor time, distance, and calories. And the treadmill comes with a hi-fi sound system which you can connect through the spring connection line. So, your workout atmosphere will be more relaxed. Aside from that, you can connect your smartphone with the treadmill via Bluetooth connection and can get fitness status. And the treadmill can get folded in 90 degrees for storage. By folding it, you can store the treadmill in a small space. Lastly, the central fact of the treadmill that everyone notices is it comes under 300. So, it can be an ideal option to do the workout at home. At number 2, we have the Best Choice Products 5-Speed Treadmill. Best Choice Products 5-Speed Treadmill has a stylish design that is hard to ignore. The treadmill comes with speed switch to change the speed range according to 0.5, 2.0, 4.0, 5.5 and 7.5. Also, the machine features workout programs which have 3 different combinations of speed and time. And like the other premium treadmills under $300, this fitness equipment also has a digital display so that you can monitor distance, speed, time, and calories as well. Besides that, the handlebars of the treadmill have heart rate sensors to track your heart rate. And the treadmill also comes with quick start and stop buttons. Again, the control console of the machine is designed with 2 water bottle holders. And the exercise machine features with media shelf for entertainment. Aside from that, the treadmill can tolerate the weight up to 250 pounds. Overall, it can be an ideal treadmill to the beginners. And finally at number 1, we have the Best Choice Products Folding Electric Treadmill. Best Choice Company always comes with reliable stuff. So, most fitness experts give priority to their products. And Best Choice Products 800W Portable Folding Electric Motorized Treadmill also has fantastic features that can draw your attention. First, the treadmill features an 800W motor which can provide you with a speed range of 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour. Besides that, the console features speed buttons including 5 presets which are 0.5, 2.0, 4.0, 5.5, and 7.5 miles per hour. As a result, you can tune into any speed range as per your need. Also, you get 3 workout programs featuring different combinations of speed and time for burning more calories. Aside from that, both console and handlebars have other interactive elements to control the treadmill. And these are speed controls, start as well as stop buttons for the emergency. The hand grips of the treadmill feature with heart pulse sensors to monitor your heart rate. And the display can track fitness statistics as well. Again, you get a media shelf with the treadmill so that you can keep your device or magazine on the shelf. And the fitness machine comes with 2 water bottle holders to keep you hydrated during exercise. The exercise machine can support the weight up to 250 pounds. So, all features of the treadmill under $300 make it one of the ideal exercise machine available in the market. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.